Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Okay, thank you very much for taking a couple of seconds of your time and doing that and supporting the channel. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to create, whoops, that's in caps. I'm going to create a hash. Okay. I'm going to call the hash names. Okay. So let's have a look. I'm going to put some keys in it. I'm just going to say John, and age is 45, and then Dave, age is 67, and then let's say Paul, age is 100. Bit of an old fogey is Paul. And let's have a look. Pete, yeah, Pete is 23. He's a bit of a young pup. Okay, so that's our hash there. I'm going to create a subroutine. It's called get hash size. So we're going to get the size of this hash. Okay, so I'm going to create a scalar here called my. This is going to be into an array. Keys is equal to the hash names. Okay, it's going to be my scalar hash size is going to be equal to the array of keys. Okay, now we're going to print this out. Print hash size is, and that's going to be hash size and a new line. Okay, now all we have to do is to call this subroutine and call it get hash size. Okay, just save it there. Let's run it. So I want to know the size of this hash. Let's run it. So the size of the hash is 8. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you've enjoyed that. And before you go, just take a couple of seconds, drop me a comment, say hello or whatever, and make sure you're subscribed, and of course hit the like button, and I will see you again in another video. Bye bye.